What's going on, everybody? My name is Alex. You can call me Opposite Band Man. Guys, today we're back for a brand new reaction and a brand new episode of Chainsaw Man. Guys, we're watching episode 2. You already know what it is. So, guys, this episode, I don't know what's going to happen. I mean, obviously, I didn't read the manga. I'm going into the series blind. But last episode, Denji, demon pet, like his little chainsaw pet, it merged with him because he saw that Denji was dying, right? So he merged with him, and now Denji is like part demon, I guess. I don't know. I know, like, they mentioned how, like, they can merge last episode. But anyways, he killed the guy that, he was in debt to for, like, 30 million yen or whatever it was. So, yeah, we're going to continue on in this episode, guys. I'm excited. I don't know what to expect. At the end of last episode, we saw, like, that girl. She went and, like, said, come with me, blah, blah, blah. I could just kill you right now. But yeah. So, anyways, guys, the outro was just amazing last time. I don't know if, like, they're doing a different outro for, like, every episode. I don't know. But I love the music for the first outro. So, I mean, I'm kind of hoping it's the same thing with this one. But anyways, we're about to get into it right now, guys. I appreciate it. Please, if you want to check out this full-length episode, guys, no, like, blurred video or anything like that, no extra anything, just a full episode, go check it out on my Patreon page, guys. It is where I post those. Also, make sure you check out my Naruto Shippuden watch through. I'm watching that for the first time right now, so make sure you go and check that out, guys, if that does sound like it's something that's going to interest you. Yeah, guys, with that all being said, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's get into it. I'm excited to get back into it. Oh, he's hungry? I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of hungry too. Denji. Wolf? Is that what? Look, she's pretty much saying, do what I say or I'll kill you. And he's like, okay. Oh yeah, the hug. I mean, it's better than owing 30 million. Poor Pochita. Let him go get some. Oh, he got a little sugar mama. Hi. He's stoked. Oh, come on, man. Don't fall down that rabbit hole so easy. Intro time. Alright, so it's the same intro. Well, since it is the same intro... Oh, whoops. There we go. Dang, she seems so nice. But he thinks he's slick. So he gets hurt when he uses his chainsaws? Oh, so I wonder if like he's gonna work towards separating themselves again. If he's in fact still alive, I guess he's still, low on blood. Udon? Dude, you gotta think, he hasn't had like a meal like this in a while. He's probably like, wait, will she feed me? He's so slick with it. I mean, he's not really slick with it, but... Makima. Look, I'm telling you, he thinks... You're being too direct. Look, he said, Denji. Wait, that's me. Yeah, alright, this is cool. Like, he's gonna be daydreaming about that for weeks. Or honestly, she's probably just toying with his emotions. Gotchi. Dang, they got a whole building. Dang, so they got that government job. She's probably talking about a worker, like what kind of worker guy is she into, not like romance.
そういう恋して。デンジ君。はい。日本制服だからこれ着てね。同僚に合わせるから。
No, she's about to be like, yeah, this is my boyfriend. He's gonna be like, why he's so creepy about it? Oh man, we can't all get what we want. Come on. I want $1 million, you know? Now he's gonna go out there and work his hardest. Dude, he is just being swooned right now. Her eyes look cool, like the little orange and red circles. That is her boyfriend. Look at him, I mean, he already got his ass kicked, so it's not like he could be like, what's your problem, bro? He didn't... Oh, shut up. He didn't ask for the job. Nah, she said she was gonna kill him. Bing bong. Let's go. Oh God.
俺は今日初めてうどん食るともな。髪の扱いされたし、初めて飯食わせる夢みてえな生活だ。俺は軽い気持ちでデビル生活続けるためだったら。よっぱなし。俺だけの命じゃなかった。
I was about to say, why would you turn away? You know he's gonna like try and hit you back. Look, he told you straight up, it's nuts or nothing, and you don't even try to block. This whole thing did not go like how I was planning. Attacked by the nut devil. No. I think that, well, they're probably going to end up being like best friends. Is that him? Hayakawa? Yep. Oh, what'd she tell him? So is that like a common thing? Oh, I guess it's not common at all.
特別な対応で扱うことに法案を辞職したり、違反行動は悪魔として処分されます。それってどういう
It means you're gonna die.
死ぬまで一緒に働く。
She's like so friendly when she says that too. Could you kill him though? I feel like Denji's probably like super OP for whatever reason. I don't know why I have that in my head. She saved his too. I want to see how powerful she is. He's probably like, she hugged you? No, he's living the life now. Having a toast of kings. You make a mess like that in my apartment, we're fighting. Making all that noise. And used up all the TP. Come on. Alright, let's go. Hayakawa. Hayakawa. I need to remember that name. Is it a devil?
この死体を乗っ取った悪魔、それが魔人。
Oh.
それじゃ俺魔人じゃね？違う。魔人は後見れば一発でわかる。
Gotta eat the pet bird though?
ゴングマになって力を見せてみろ。それで使えるもんかと。
Come on. You about to transform? Oh, he's like, I don't need to transform.
なんで悪魔
Because I don't need to.
俺の力使ってで悪魔を殺すとよ。俺もこいつみてえな魔人にそれでなんか楽に殺し。いいか、僕も立派な悪魔だ。デビルハンターが悪魔に同情家族は全員目の前で悪魔に
Oh man.
飲み行ったことあるけどな。奥さんとか子供を守るために例外全員本気なんだよ。俺は悪魔の前は悪魔と仲
I
良
mean,
し
he
に
is
なりたいんだ。
he is part devil, so it's like I see
友
it.
達になれる。
Yeah, he was friends with the devil.
俺友達いねえんだのことは覚えとくぜ。
Because they don't know about Dochito. Is that his name, Dochito? Was that the devil's name that he was friends with? I can't remember.
させちゃったよ。言いつけたくなかっただけなのに。チェンソーになるとチートビしてやったんだ。これはもらって。
He's like, no ifs, ands, or buts.
エッチ確認。
デンジの夢を見せたから。
俺も
Porn
マジでやってる
secured.
ぜ。
Pochita.
契約通り夢見と覚えとくぜ。俺はもう夢にゴールし入るっていいもん食えて面のいい女も近く。
He's having a good
もう
time.
100点の生活なの。なんか
It's his friend.
気がする。
He missed Pochita.
なんかあったか。
A real
あいつはきっ
friend.
と復讐的なあれだ。こういうこと。
He has nothing to fight for.
マキマさんもなんかあんの？
Yeah, I wonder what her like goal is. He's like a typical high school kid.
昔に俺には無理だと諦めてたけど、としてる俺なら揉めるんじゃねえか。なだくのは俺には難しい。胸なら強い意志と行動力。前が全員本気なんだよ。
But now he has a goal.
だって、俺の本気、俺のゴール、それは胸だ。
胸だ。
おい。
Oh man.
デンジ君には公安では少年のため二人一組で行動すること。
Oh, is this the other main girl with the horns?
でね、彼女は
The one that we see in the intro.
ひげ伏せ人間。
Yep.
わしの名は
Power.
パワーか。
パワー？つうか魔人なの？デビルハンターなんてやってもいいのか？まあいいか。よろしくな。
同じ駆除対象なんだけど、が高いから早川君の隊に入れる言ったけど、公安大麻と食い音感は実
So what's so experimental about
出
it?
せなかったらすぐにでも上の方君たちがどうなるかはわ
Death.
かるよね。
Dude, I cannot get that girl's name right in my head. Like, obviously, you know, she's power, but I'm talking about the other one. I keep wanting to say Mikasa because, you know, I watched a little bit of Attack on Titan. But I know it's not Mikasa. What is it? And I've seen it tons of times.
人間早くなんか
Dang.
私は血に飢えて
She's
るぞ
demanding. Not the cat.
理不尽ならつらどうやって胸を揉むかだ。
もし民間のデビルハンターにあったり無質問された時は
食い音感でーす。
見せれば嫌な顔して帰っていく。
That's right.
全然悪魔いねえじゃん。
わしは魔人になる前は血においで雑魚悪魔は逃げてくんじゃろ。
は？
So
何か
she was a
聞きたいことがあったら
feared.
早く
So she was a feared devil before she became a fiend.
ヤード組ませて俺を活躍させないようにして俺を辞めさせる気なんだ。
I feel like Power's OP.
血の匂いじゃ。
てめえどこ行け。
勝負じゃ勝負じゃ。
Go.
足合い。
The sea cucumber devil. That's a scene we saw in the trailer for Chainsaw Man. Her with that hammer. Bro, what? He's like, maybe she's a little too crazy. Maybe I don't need to see her boobs. Oh, this is a different outro. Alright, let's see what this has got. Thanks, so they're really gonna do a different outro for every episode. That's dedication. This has a different vibe to it. It's got a vibe of like oh, we're hanging out, you know, I don't know. This is this is that kind of anime outro you would like wake up at 3 a.m. to like blast in your room. Like you wake up random and you're like, huh? Like looking at the screen. Okay, picked up a little bit. See, I'm gonna forget about this one. Like, it wasn't bad. Don't get me wrong, it wasn't bad. Alright, so that's that. So, like, it wasn't a bad outro. It's just, I don't know. It's just the first one, the first outro was so good. I mean, Picasso. It was just that memorable. Like, I was looking forward to try and download on my Spotify playlist. But this one, like, I wouldn't add to my Spotify. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, guys, that's it for the second episode. So now, Denji is teamed up with Power. And, you know, he was, so is he still going to be living with that other dude? The Hayakawa? Is that what it was? Hayakawa? Is he going to be living with that dude still? Or was that just while they were partners for a few days? But anyways, yeah, so he's with Power now. I have this funny feeling like she's super OP. Did you see, like, what she did? Like, she took her blood and, like, made a hammer. So, like, I wonder if, like, she has a power that, like, it's kind of like blood bending, kind of, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I mean, we're just gonna have to keep on watching to find out. But you know, that's gonna be next week. You know, as soon as I watch it, I will post it up for you guys. I'll post it up for you guys. But yeah, this is a good episode, man. This has like a different feel from the first episode. You know, first episodes are always kind of like, you know, like pilot episodes. They have like a different feel. This episode had a different feel to it. I still think I'm really gonna enjoy this show. And you know, we got to see like a little bit more humor with this episode. Like his ultimate goal is to touch boobs. That's it. That's all he cares about. So, you know, once he touches boobs, I wonder, you know, what his new goal is going to be. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up for today. Guys, if you did want to watch this full-length episode, go check it out on my Patreon. And make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. Make sure you don't miss any of these feature uploads. And I am doing the Naruto Shippuden reaction series on my YouTube channel right now, so go check that out. Throw a like on the video, put a comment down below, let me know your thoughts on this episode. And with all that being said, guys, I'll see you next time for the next episode. Peace.